What's up, guys? Dion here again, and I'm here with my excellent brother,
Terrence.
and instead of Black Ops 2 multiplayer, we're gonna do Black Ops 2 campaign. So basically, I'm just gonna see how good he is, and I'm gonna try next and see who's better. What the freak? Oh yeah, I remember this.
How we remember that?
Oh no! No!
That joke hurts.
Oh wow!
I just go around and start killing people and boy. It was my first time playing a campaign, so.
Yeah, it's not really my first time. It's like my fourth, I think. I played this before. I just really haven't much finished the whole game.
I restarted the mission, so we beat it before. I just restarted it, so don't thinking I didn't beat it.
Yeah, don't think like we're still stuck on here. It's pretty much easy. You just gotta kill all the people.
You gotta kill people and then you gotta be like.
Let's go. You don't wanna mess with us? What? Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm about to come over here and kill ya. Oh. Yeah, so like I said before, we're going to see how good he does. Then on my next video, we're going to see how good I do and compare it. And I want you guys to comment on the video below and see who did better. No, you are stupid. You use those things on the target. Where it says target. Yo, he has a freaking rocket. Kill him. What are you doing? You are dead.
I just plain out killed myself?
Yep.
What? What? I don't know where you are. What are these? Oh, same thing. Give me these. No, I know what to do with them. Do it. Let me get closer. That part.
Oh, he killed our partners.
Boy.
Don't screw up on this part.
thought he died. I was about to say, they just killed another one of my partners. Why you shooting? Calling air support. I call air support. Oops.
They lost it.
And that is my baby brother again in the background, so oh wow.
Ah!
Yeah, so guys, again, like I said, after this video, and I'm gonna do one with my turn, and I want you guys to leave a comment on who did better.
Oh, they running now. It's too late. It's too late. Oh yeah, I love this part. So my heel's going down.
Yeah.
Hot. Dang.
Bye guys. Bye. See you later. You look like tiny people. Okay guys, that completes this video. So now I'm about to do mine, and hopefully I can get done a lot quicker. So tune in for the next video. Bye. Peace.